Hello, it's Grandma. I hope you're all well out there. This new book is called Little Bird Takes a Bath. Marisabina Russo is the person that wrote it. Okay, this book has a little bit more words, so I'm going to show you the picture and then read the book. You see? Looks like a little bird lives in a city. It was a rainy night in the city. Little Bird sat looking at the street below. He watched the umbrellas bobbing up and down. He listened to the taxis honk, honk, honking. He felt the thunder in his tiny wings. I don't like rain, said Little Bird. I don't like rain at all. There's a little bird in his nest. Then he nestled down and closed his eyes and dreamed about tomorrow. In the morning, Little Bird woke up early. He looked out over the street below. No more umbrellas, no more honking, no more thunder. Rain, rain, gone away, said Little Bird, who always started his day with a song. What a perfect day for a bath, he thought. Look, there he is. There's Little Bird singing. And there's the street down below. And off he flew over rooftops, around lampposts, under awnings. Little Bird saw puddles everywhere. Some looked too big, some looked too small. Some were already crowded with bathers. Little Bird's flying around big city looking for a place to take a bath. At last, Little Bird spotted the perfect puddle. He swooped out of the sky and landed with a happy splash. My puddle, my puddle, my puddle, chirped Little Bird. There he is in his puddle. But then something was bouncing straight at Little Bird. Oh no! He skittered out of the way. They're in a park, and this little boy threw a ball, and it went bounce, bounce, bounce. But Little Bird got out of the way. He skittered out of the way. When it was quiet again, Little Bird hopped back in his puddle. That was close, he cheeped. That was oh so close. Rub-a-dub-dub, sang Little Bird. And then something was flip-flop flapping straight at Little Bird. Oh no! He flew out of the way faster than before. Oh, it's a little girl in flip-flops. When it was quiet again, Little Bird hopped back into his puddle. That was closer, he cheeped. That was even closer. Row, row, row your boat, sang Little Bird. But then something was arf, arf, arfing straight at Little Bird. Oh no! He flitted out of the way as fast as he could. It was a dog jumping into the puddle. Evie and Pearl have a dog that's name is April. When it was quiet again, Little Bird hopped back into his puddle. Closest yet, he cheeped. The very closest yet. But Little Bird wasn't happy with his puddle anymore. Almost all the water had been splashed away. Little bird trilled a sad song. No more bath today, no more bath today. Now he'd have to wait for another rainy night. And remember, little bird didn't like rain. He didn't like rain at all. There he is, and he doesn't even have any puddle to get in to splash around anymore. Little bird flapped his tiny wings and started to head home, under awnings, around lampposts, over rooftops. But then, what was that shining, sparkling, and shimmering? What was that? Wait, again, what was that? Shining, sparkling, and shimmering down below. It looked like a fountain, a splashy, swirly fountain, just the right size for little bird. See the fountain down below, right there. Looks like he's flying down to the fountain. Little bird swooped out of the sky and landed with a happy splash. He shook and wriggled and fluttered his wings until he was as clean as he could be. At last, little bird was ready to fly home. He's all clean. He got his bath. He's very happy there. He saw the long shadows spreading across the sidewalks. He heard the loud buses rumbling down the streets. He smelled the sweet aromas rising from the kitchen windows. The sky was pink. There would be no rain tonight. See? The sky's pink. Little bird's flying back to his home. The moon's pale face appeared between two buildings as little bird landed on his ledge. Good night, sweet sky. Rock-a-bye, he sang, because little bird always ended his day with a song. And there's little bird in his nest. There's the moon up in the sky. Aw. Then he nestled down and closed his eyes and dreamed about tomorrow. Oh, that's what we should do right now. It's probably time to go to bed. I love you.